are lung research groups making folks aware, and if so, how, on radon exposure in lung cancer and never smokers? I've not heard, the patient says, I've not heard this brought up with my oncologist. I tested my mother's house. She had elevated levels. I had a company install a system. I guess maybe let me broaden that, and what are things we can do in the advocacy and academic communities to advocate for prevention along this axis?
Yeah, that's a really very important topic. And there is actually an advocate, I'm quickly looking her up, who has gone through the STARS program of training as a research advocate. Her name's Jacqueline Nixon, but she runs a group that, really focuses on radon abatement and radon awareness as a cause of lung cancer. And I will look that up and put that in the chat. But we are trying to get out there, all the potential causes or possible causes of lung cancer. And it has, we are making more strides. I mean, there was a, very limited view of what causes lung cancer, 20 years ago, that, it was only due if you had some form of tobacco exposure. And now we have more information. We're learning about radon. We're learning about the potential impacts of air pollution. We're learning about, is there a family history link? And there is research going on in a lot of these areas. I know the larger nonprofit groups also, like Longevity or GoTo or LCRF, are definitely telling people about the potential dangers of radon. And in many places, you have to check with your, where you live, but in many states, I believe you can even apply to get a free radon kit to test your house. But that's, I think something that's handled at this point on a more local level. But I think I have to look up the name of the group. I think it's called Citizens Against Radon. I can't remember exactly what it's called, but I'll look it up and I'll put it in the chat. There's definitely work being done in that area.
No, thank you for that.